Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can regenerate your API key for your account on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So what you want to do guys is log into your account on Base44 and you will need to click into your username in the bottom left. From there navigate to account settings. From there what you want to do guys is navigate to basic information here on the left hand side. Into account settings here on the left hand side, excuse me. And then guys, here in your account settings, you will see this section, right? API key. You will be given or assigned a default API key like, one for your account. You may copy it to a clipboard by clicking into this button, but you can also request a regenerate by clicking into this button, which is exactly what I'm about to do because API keys should not be shared with others. So going to click into that button also after recording this video to keep my API key private, of course, but that's how you do it guys. As you can see, if I click into it, the API key gets exchanged or changed here. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.